How did you know? Let me try this. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up and stay feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I